Have you ever truly paused to consider the immense and unseen power of your words? Each word you utter, every thought you harbor, and every intention you set creates ripples, subtle yet far-reaching throughout the vast ocean of existence. These ripples shape not only your external reality, but also the very core of who you are. Words are far from passive. They are dynamic, carrying energy that resonates far beyond the moment they are spoken. They influence outcomes, alter perceptions, and leave lasting imprints on those around us. Today, we embark on a transformative journey to uncover this hidden truth, exploring how words, whether honest or deceitful, mold the intricate fabric of our lives, our energy fields, and our spiritual paths. From the most ancient philosophies to the latest breakthroughs in quantum physics, the profound influence of words has been a universal truth across cultures and ages. Consider the ancient adage, "The pen is mightier than the sword." It is a poetic acknowledgement of the tremendous creative and destructive power of words. While physical actions can alter the visible world, words penetrate deeper, shaping minds, hearts, and the unseen energetic dimensions of life. Words are not merely tools for communication. They are forces of creation. Just as a sculptor molds clay into form, so too do words mold the contours of our reality. Ralph Waldo Emerson once described words as the clothes of our thoughts, suggesting that words externalize the intangible. However, they do more than dress our ideas. They bring them into being. Each word spoken carries a frequency, a vibration, and this energy interacts with the surrounding universe. Imagine words as seeds planted into the fertile soil of existence. Positive, uplifting words grow into flourishing gardens, rich with harmony and connection. Negative or dishonest words, on the other hand, sprout weeds, choking the life out of our energy fields and relationships. The energy of words is not confined to the moment they are spoken. It reverberates, echoing across time and space, influencing both the speaker and the listener in profound ways. In sacred texts, the significance of words is emphasized repeatedly. The Gospel of John begins with the phrase, "In the beginning was the Word, and the Word was with God, and the Word was God." Here, words are presented not as mere linguistic constructs, but as the very essence of creation itself. They are divine tools, bridging the gap between the seen and the unseen, the physical and the metaphysical. Modern science has begun to unravel the mysteries that ancient spiritual traditions understood intuitively. Quantum physics teaches us that everything in the universe is energy, vibrating at different frequencies. Words, as expressions of thought and sound, carry their own distinct vibrations, influencing the energetic fields they encounter. Masaru Emoto, a renowned Japanese researcher, demonstrated this phenomenon in his groundbreaking experiments on water. He exposed water to words, music, and intentions, observing the crystalline structures that formed as the water froze. Positive words like love and gratitude created intricate, beautiful crystals, while negative words like hate and anger resulted in chaotic, disordered patterns. Given that the human body is composed of approximately 70% water, consider the implications of this discovery. The words we speak, the tones we use, and even the intentions behind our language leave imprints on our very cells. Lies and harsh words disrupt the harmony within, creating energetic blockages and physical stress, while truth and kind words restore balance and vitality. Hermes Trismegistus, the ancient teacher of Hermetic philosophy, asserted in the Corpus Hermeticum that truth aligns us with the all, the universal essence that connects everything. Words spoken in alignment with truth harmonize our energy field, bringing us closer to the divine. Lies, however, sever this connection. They plunge us into illusion, creating a dissonance that weakens our aura, the protective energy surrounding us, and misaligns the fifth chakra, Vishuddha. The Vishuddha chakra, located at the throat, governs communication and expression. It is the center of truth, and its alignment is vital for emotional, physical, and spiritual well-being. When we lie, we create blockages in this energy center, leading to a cascade of negative effects: emotional stagnation, difficulty in expressing oneself authentically, and even physical ailments such as throat issues and glandular imbalances. Living in truth, however, creates an effortless flow, often described in Taoism as Wu Wei, or effortless action. This state of harmony allows us to align with the natural rhythms of life, where our words and actions resonate with universal truth. Lying might seem harmless in the moment, a quick way to avoid conflict or gain advantage. However, the energetic toll of dishonesty is profound. Each lie disrupts the flow of energy within and around us, creating fractures in our relationships and inner peace. Lying activates the amygdala, the brain's center for detecting threats and processing fear. This triggers a stress response, releasing cortisol, the stress hormone. Over time, repeated acts of dishonesty lead to chronic stress, which can manifest as insomnia, anxiety, digestive issues, and even immune system dysfunction. Spiritually, lying generates what many traditions call karmic debt. Karma, the law of cause and effect, ensures that every action returns to its source. Lies create ripples of dissonance that must eventually be reconciled. This is not a matter of punishment, but of balance. The universe, in its infinite wisdom, seeks harmony, and dishonesty disrupts that equilibrium. Healing begins with self-awareness. Carl Jung observed, "He who looks outside dreams. He who looks inside awakens." Reflect on the areas in your life where truth is obscured. Where have you allowed illusions to take root? Radical honesty with yourself is the first step to dissolving the energetic blockages created by lies. Confession is another powerful tool, not necessarily to others, but to yourself. Acknowledge the ways in which you have strayed from authenticity. In doing so, you open the door for healing and transformation. Truth, as Osho taught, is self-sustaining. It needs no defense. It stands on its own. As you begin to live in alignment with truth, you will notice a profound shift. Life flows more easily, relationships deepen, and your energy field becomes vibrant and expansive. Truth is not just a moral virtue. It is a powerful force that realigns us with the divine essence of the universe. Living authentically is the ultimate act of freedom. When we speak and act in truth, we free ourselves from the burdens of illusion and reconnect with our higher selves. The energy we radiate in this state of alignment not only transforms our lives, but also uplifts those around us. So ask yourself, where in your life can you replace illusion with truth? Each small act of honesty creates ripples that extend far beyond your immediate sphere, contributing to a collective vibration of harmony and light. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the hidden power of words. If this exploration has resonated with you, like, share, and subscribe to join a community dedicated to uncovering the mysteries of life and spirit. Together, let us build a world rooted in authenticity and connection,